6 heavy machine maintenance tips to extend longevity. With new technology, plants can lean to retrofit rather than replace, which makes maintenance increasingly important. Whether it is a mining project or a manufacturing unit, no business wants to experience downtime. Unplanned downtime comes with enormous financial costs and may even cause your business to lose its competitive edge. According to a study sponsored by ServiceMax and conducted by Benson Bourne of GE Digital, 82% of companies have experienced unplanned downtime over the past 3 years. Those outages lasted an average of 4 hours, costing an average of $2 million. As a result, zero unplanned downtime has now become a high priority for almost 72% of organizations. However, in most manufacturing units, heavy machinery is the backbone of the business. The proactive maintenance of your heavy machinery is perhaps the best way to avoid unplanned downtime. Preventive maintenance also ensures better performance, saves fuel and energy consumption, and fosters a safe work environment.